Welcome to SBW Lesson Overview 4.05, Trigonomic Ratios 2. Our question says, Andy wants to buy a sliding door for his daughter's treehouse. The slide needs to reach the top of the floor of the treehouse, which is 6.5 feet off the ground. The slide can be no more than 60-degree angle from the ground for safety reasons. Which side measurement measures 6.5 feet for this trigonometry problem? Which side do we need to find to help solve the trigonometry problem? How would we set up this trigonometry problem? And what is the length of the shortest side that Andy needs to buy? Well, let's go ahead and look at what we have. So the first thing is which side measures 6.5? So it says that the tree house is 6.5 feet off the ground. So that means that this line right here is 6.5 feet, if this is the ground and this is the tree house. Now, we're looking for a sliding board, so I'm going to assume that this is going to be the slide. And it kind of tricks us here because in the end it asks us what is the length of the shortest slide. Well, that doesn't mean that it's going to be the shortest side of our triangle. It's still a slide and it still has a slant. Notice that it says that it cannot have a slant of more than 60 degrees. So we're still looking for the hypotenuse, and we need it to have a slant of 60 degrees. So if it can only have a slant of 60 degrees, I'm going to go ahead and put my 60 degrees right down here. I notice that I have the opposite, which is 6.5, and I need the hypotenuse. So I've labeled my sides as 6.5 being the opposite. And then I need to find the slide, which is the hypotenuse. And now I'm ready to set up this trigonometry problem. So I see that I'm going to use sine because I know the opposite and the hypotenuse. So I can set up my problem so that I have sine 60 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. When I plug this into my calculator, I have to remember x up high multiply x below divide. That's how I would set up this trigonometry problem. What is the length of the shortest side? Well, I can say that I know I'm going to divide 6.5 by sine 60 to find the length of the slide to her treehouse. If you have any questions on this writing assignment, please send me a text or an email.